pack my concert bag for my Lumineers concert tonight. So first are these little earbuds. They're just connected here and then they unscrew. Oh gosh. And then little earbuds are inside. I took them to the Disney and Zombies for World Collide store, which you can see those videos in my channel. But then in this compartment, we're going to pack a lip gloss, a hand sanitizer, chapstick, deodorant, claw clip, and then we're gonna put my phone in here, but that's for later. So this is my little bag for Lumineers. Bye guys.